The compressor effect in Ableton Live is a dynamic range control tool used to reduce the gain of signals that exceed a specified threshold. This process is vital for enhancing the overall loudness, balance, and punchiness of audio signals in music production. The threshold determines the level above which compression begins. Signals above the threshold are reduced in volume. The ratio dictates how much compression is applied. For instance, a ratio of 3 to 1 means for every 3 dB the signal goes over the threshold, it's reduced to increase by only 1 dB. The gain reduction meter displays the amount of gain reduction applied. This helps in understanding the extent of compression's impact on the signal. The output control is used to adjust the overall level after compression, compensating for gain reduction. The dry-wet knob balances between the compressed and uncompressed signals, useful for parallel compression techniques. The knee control adjusts the compression's onset, offering either a hard knee for abrupt compression or a soft knee for gradual compression. The attack is the time taken for the compressor to start reducing gain after the threshold is exceeded. The release is the time taken for the compressor to stop reducing gain after the signal falls below the threshold. The auto release automatically adjusts release time based on the incoming audio. The look ahead allows the compressor to anticipate loud peaks, improving the accuracy of gain reduction. The peak compression mode focuses on short-term loudness peaks, while RMS averages out the signal level over time, offering a smoother compression. Expand mode acts as an upward expander, increasing the gain of signals above the threshold. The linear envelope follower shape is a straightforward compression response, while logarithmic adjusts compression response based on signal intensity. Sidechaining allows the compressor to be triggered by an external audio source or a specific frequency band. This feature is particularly useful in creating ducking effects or ensuring that certain elements like bass lines make room for elements like kick drums in a mix. To implement sidechain compression, start by activating sidechain, then choose an external signal to trigger compression. Next, set gain and dry-wet, adjusting the level and balance of the sidechain signal. Finally, use EQ to isolate specific frequencies in the sidechain source to trigger compression. Some practical tips for compression include using compression for voiceover and music balancing. To do this, use sidechaining for ducking background music when a narrator speaks. You can apply sidechain compression on bass or entire mixes using the kick drum as a trigger for rhythmic effects. Experiment with attack and release settings for unique effects on drums and rhythm sections. Use makeup gain judiciously to maintain dynamic balance. For users of older versions of Live, upgrading to the latest compressor algorithms can enhance sound quality. In summary, Ableton Live's compressor is a versatile and essential tool in music production, offering control over dynamics for both subtle enhancement and creative sound shaping. Its parameters, including threshold, ratio, knee, and sidechain capabilities, allow for a wide range of applications, from managing vocal dynamics to sculpting entire mixes. Understanding and effectively using these controls can significantly elevate the quality and impact of your music productions.